Hey guys, it's Yvette and I am here for Vlogmas Day 3. And it's quite lucky that I'm here making this video because I've been sitting and watching the Great British Bake Off. Wait, the Great British Baking Show. I think that's what it is. I have no idea why, but I'm totally obsessed with this show now. Anyway, so I watched like 2 episodes while I was talking with friends and having my dinner, and had to pretty much force myself to stop watching so that I could come and make this video for you guys. So let's get the advent calendars open for day 3. I am once again going to start with cotton cuts. So let's pull that one up first. There it is. Let's get her open. And after the advent calendars, I'm going to show you a couple of other things too, which I think you're going to enjoy. Okay, so day 3 from Cotton Cuts. I get so excited. Okay. The thought of the day is, be the sunshine in a world full of storms. Well, I try. I think Jellybean does a better job of it than I do, but yeah, there you go. Ooh! Okay, wait. I know what this fabric is. Oh, I've seen it. I don't remember the name of it, but it's very, very bright and cheerful and pretty. I think I remember that when I got this the first time, the only thing that I kind of don't like about it, and I know this is going to sound terrible, but I don't really like the birds. Like, I don't know. It's something about, I don't know, but I love the colors. Look at how gorgeous it is. So pretty. Okay, so that's the fat quarter from Cotton Cuts. I'm going to keep these together. And we'll close this back up. Oops. And go this way. Okay, now we have Alison Glass sticker advent calendar. Okay, so we've done 1 and 2. Where is 3? Oh, it's this one up here at the top, the little candy cane one. Hey, Jellybean. Ooh, I don't even know what this is, but look how cute. Okay, wait, Jellybean, I gotta show everybody. There's the sticker right there with Jellybean's ear in it. Okay, so we've got that one. It's like, it almost like came all the way off. Okay, I'm not gonna concentrate on that. And then finally, the Crimson Tate, which y'all know I am just in love with this Crimson Tate. This box just makes me so happy. Okay, let's pull the next one out. Day 3. And I still haven't gone to see if anyone else got this little paper guy. Ooh, he fell. I don't want to lose him because I'm telling you, there's something about this little guy. I don't know what that is. Oh. Okay, well, he's in the box. I'm gonna leave him in there. Here we are with day number 3. I just look at her bags and her little stickers. I love them. Okay, Jellybean obviously is very excited too. Ooh, okay, so we've got these 2. It seems like we're getting like a blender and a solid, right? So this is the first one. It's like, it's red. Jellybean, don't look at him. Look at him with my ribbon. Don't do that, buddy. So it's red with like shooting stars on it. And let me see if I've got anything on my selvage. No. For some reason, I always get the selvage with none of the words on it. So I don't know what this is, but it's very pretty. And then there's this lovely solid purple. It's a light purple, very soft, lovely. Okay, so I'm going to put that there, scooch this over. Oh, this was in there and I missed it. It came flying out of here. Okay, so this is a, do y'all remember the incident of me trying to use one of these? Anyway, you are supposed to put your bobbin on there, and then once you have your bobbin on there, then you stick this down into your thread, and it keeps the like colored thread and bobbin together, right? Yes, I will never forget that. I'm going to just put this down in here so that I can get them all of the little extras later. And I'm wondering, I'm telling you that that little origami thing has got to be, and if somebody actually sat there, and he's right here. If somebody actually sat and made these guys, oh my goodness, like seriously, is that not adorable? What is that in there? I don't know. I don't know, guys. It's just, look at it, the little, anyway, okay. I'm going to put him back in there, though, because I don't want to lose him. So we're going to close this up until tomorrow. Okay, so during the Black Friday / Cyber Monday / Small Business Saturday / everything else kind of sale that was going on, I decided to get this bundle from Crimson Tate. It is a collection that I absolutely love, but I did not buy it. I know everybody everybody's probably passing out right now. I did not buy it, but I decided just to get a fat quarter bundle from Crimson Tate, and she was having a lovely sale this weekend. So let me show it to you. And listen, when you get the package from her, she always like puts special stuff inside, like a little extra, like a little lagniappe for you. So the first thing I got was, see, now I can't show this, because if I show this, I can't show it, but I guarantee you that what I am going to show you, you're going to love. There is a absolutely legit reason why I can't show you this. So just take my word for it and know that it's lovely. And I'm just going to say this. It's a pattern. It's a pattern. Okay. And there's a reason. Here's what you're going to love. What should I do first? Should I show you the fabric or show you the little extras? I'll show you the extras first so that I don't forget. Okay, so first of all, she sends a little Crimson Tate thank you, and I totally love that. Jellybean, for goodness sakes, you're right in front of the camera, like, and not even in a pretty way. Come sit over here and show everybody your little face. Yeah, show everybody your little face. That's what they want to see. Nobody wants to see Jellybean back. I like big. Okay. Anyway, and then she puts the receipt on the back with a little heart, and so that's really lovely. And then look, a little bag with a Crimson Tate sticker on the back. And I'm sure, you know, what is it? It's a fat Jellybean? Oh, dude. Okay, hold on. I'm going to move the camera. Oh, jeez. Jellybean, I'm telling you. What are you doing? Okay. Oh my gosh, it's more than one thing. Look, she sent a sticker. I don't know what that is. What is that, guys? Okay, I don't know what it is, but it's adorable and it's cute, and I'd stick it on something anyway. I don't even care. I love it. It's a little sticker. And a fat quarter. And it's really pretty. Oh, and I actually have selvage. Oh, it's her fabric. It is Jot by Heather Givens for Wyndham Fabrics. And this is purple. It's late at night and all the lights are funky in here, so I hope you can see it. But it is basically like, do you remember whenever you were in kindergarten and you were learning how to, actually, was it in kindergarten where we were learning how to write? Maybe it was like first or second grade. But can you see? It's that paper that you learned to write your alphabet on. Thank you, Heather. Oh my goodness, I love this so much. Okay, now Jellybean has moved. And put the camera back. I think the lighting is a little better that way. Okay, so thank you so much. I love this. I love this. And that's just the lanyard. It's not even like what I purchased. And the little, y'all, if anybody knows what this is, please let me know. I mean, that doesn't look like anything I've ever seen in my life. Anyway, okay. And with no further ado, guys, here is the fabric. I love it. It's Alison glass. It is half yard cuts of her newest hopscotch line. And y'all, look at that. I know it's a miracle that I didn't buy this. I know, nobody has to tell me. But I had to have some for myself. And so I'm very excited. And let me see what it doesn't really say anything. It's just very, very lovely. And I love it. I'm gonna leave it just like this for a while, so I could just look at it. I love Alison glass. Look at this. Oh, I love it. I just love it. Okay, so that's what I got. And let me see, is there anything else I could show you that would be like, I have to save enough to be able to do stuff, you know, throughout the whole month. So I've got things all planned out. I'm trying really hard to do some really fun stuff that hopefully you guys will really like. I have a sew along that is coming up on December, whatever the Saturday, I think it's December 11th. Is it the 11th? I think it's the 11th, Saturday the 11th. And Stephanie's going to be joining me, so that's going to be really fun. I'm really excited about that. And yeah, I've got loads of stuff to open up, and I'll probably do a whole lot of opening up like on the weekends and doing some sewing, some small little projects that we can work on together. Jellybean, it's not Jellybean. Jellybean is sleeping right here. Smudgy is over there, standing in a corner and crying like this. I don't know. I don't know why he's. Oh, I wasn't talking about you. Anyway, thank you guys so much for coming to Vlogmas Day 3. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. And just so you know exactly whenever I'm posting my videos, please make sure that you are subscribed and that you ring that bell. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to go feed him. Mwah.